Let's begin by gently warming up and loosening your joints. This 15-minute daily Tai Chi workout helps you burn belly fat at home, support your body, and improve balance. Gentle, no jumping, just simple, steady movements to help you feel lighter, more balanced, and energized. Just follow along and start moving now. Exercise 1. Three, 2, 1, start. Open your arms wide, then bring your hands toward your shoulders as you lift one knee. Stay tall and balanced, engaging your core to help support a stronger, leaner midsection. Next exercise. Three, 2, 1, go. Reach your arms forward, then lift one heel behind you as you settle into steady balance. Move with control and gently engage your core to help reduce stubborn belly fat over time. Exercise 3. Three, 2, 1, begin. Open your arms, then sweep them overhead as you shift into a gentle side lunge. This flowing movement helps engage your waist and core, supporting the reduction of visceral fat while improving flexibility. Exercise 4. Three, 2, 1, join me. Sink into a wide stance as one arm extends forward with quiet strength. Keep your movements smooth and your posture steady, improving balance and full body coordination. Exercise 5. 3, 2, 1. Let's begin. Reach one hand toward your foot as the other extends behind you. Then open your chest and lift your top arm toward the sky. Enjoy a smooth stretch through your spine, waist, and hips. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Lower into a strong horse stance as one arm reaches overhead and the other settles by your side. This flowing movement strengthens your legs while helping improve hip mobility and stability. Exercise 7. 3, 2, 1. Move with me. Reach your arms forward, then step into a steady lunge as you draw your elbows back. Move with quiet control and feel your legs and core working together for better stability. Move with quiet control and feel your legs and core working together for better stability. Exercise 8. 3, 2, 1. Start. Hold a steady front stance as your leading arm rises into a smooth overhead block. Stay grounded through your legs and move with quiet control to improve coordination and upper body stability. Other side. Exercise 9. 3, 2, 1, go. Raise one arm smoothly overhead while keeping the other relaxed by your side. Stand tall, breathe naturally, and enjoy a gentle stretch through your shoulder and upper body. Exercise 10. Three, two, one, begin. Shift into a stable front stance as your forearms sweep across your body with calm control. Keep your spine tall and let the coordinated movement improve balance and full body awareness. Switch sides. Next exercise. Three, two, one, join me. Keep your hands floating in front of your body as you shift your weight onto one leg. Move smoothly and stay balanced, helping improve coordination and steady lower body control. Exercise 12. Three, two, one, let's begin. Sweep one hand across your body as you lift the opposite knee. Then raise your palm beside your face. Stay balanced and move with control, allowing the whole body to work together with ease. Exercise 13. Full body relaxation. Slow your movements and let your whole body unwind. Breathe deeply, release any remaining tension, and finish today's practice feeling lighter, calmer, and completely refreshed. Great job today. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and enjoy the energy you've created. Keep practicing consistently, one gentle session at a time. Wishing you better health, more confidence, and a peaceful day ahead.